Hello, welcome to my channel where today I'll be showing you a recipe for a delicious chocolate banana cake. This is the perfect recipe for those very ripe bananas you have lying around. It's a must-try. The cake is indulgent, moist, and stays fresh for quite some time. Here's a list of all the ingredients you'll need. The same list is available in the description below the video. I've also linked my blog under the video. Where can you find all my recipes? They're all on my blog. To begin with, sift 1 1/4 cups of wheat flour into a bowl. For reference, my cups have a capacity of 250 milliliters. Then add 4 tablespoons of cocoa, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of baking powder and sift everything together. In a separate bowl, I have 3 very ripe bananas. I'm mashing them with a fork, and then I'm adding 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more sugar if needed. Finally, add 1/3 cup of oil. Now mix everything together. You can also use a whisk or a fork to fully combine all the ingredients. Next, slowly add the dry mixture into the wet mixture, stirring constantly. You can do this in 2 batches to make sure everything is well combined. Batches to mix easier. At the end, when I add the second batch of dry ingredients, I add another 50 g of chocolate cut into smaller pieces. It can be milk or dark chocolate, whichever you like or whichever you have at home, and everything together. (170 degrees) for about 60 minutes or a few minutes longer until the so-called dry stick. The dough comes out quite moist and juicy inside. When you're checking, it's important the cake simply isn't raw inside. Ready? It's best to cover with chocolate icing or sprinkle with sugar powder and ready. Be sure to eat because it's delicious and definitely will be to your liking. I thank you for today. Invite you to watch my next materials. Goodbye.